In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a virtual background to your Android phone while on Zoom. So what you want to do is you want to tap the screen, and then you want to go down to where it says More and tap on it. Then you want to take your finger and you want to scroll down to where it says Virtual Background, and then tap on it. Now, to add a background, down at the bottom you'll notice several preloaded backgrounds. If you would like one of those, then you choose, and now this will be the background that you will be able to use. If you wanted to add a background from a picture that you have on your phone, tap on the plus, and then you go and you find the picture that you want to add to, you want to use as the background, and you tap on it. If you found value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell. I'm Bertrand the Tech Man. Thanks for watching.